The Universal Robots UR20 Collaborative Robot Arm, equipped with the SMC ZGS foam vacuum gripper, is the ideal solution for automated palletizing and depalletizing applications, particularly for handling corrugated cardboard. Paired with the Robotiq PE20 Palletizer, it can effortlessly lift and stack cardboard boxes of almost 40 pounds on pallets up to 7 feet high. The collaborative robot arm provides superior motion control in a lightweight, small footprint machine with little to no safety guarding required. There is no need for expensive wiring solutions or sophisticated electrical hookups. The UR20 can be powered by a single-phase conventional power outlet. The user interface is easy to visually navigate, similar to that of a smartphone. The all-in-one SMC ZGS gripper unit further simplifies setup and operation by integrating all the necessary functions for adsorption: ejector, supply chain release valve, silencer, robot flange, and pressure switch into a single unit. The last piece of the puzzle is the Regal Rexnord ModSort. The ModSort standard module is designed to handle any kind of package, from small packages like polybags to medium-sized traditional packages, and can be easily added to an existing or new conveyor system by utilizing industry standard 24-volt connections. Together, these innovative components create an easy-to-deploy, easy-to-operate, safer palletizing system in a small footprint with existing electrical outlets. Contact Automation Distribution today for a quote at 1-888-600-3080.